think it's a significant development today where we are announcing some new partnerships between the private sector and also NGO partners in ensuring the success of the COVID-19 immunization program here in Malaysia. We've discussed this with Post Malaysia and they're very happy to distribute our flyers door to door. But Grab has now become synonymous with food deliveries, with e-hailing, and is very much a part of Malaysia's daily life, especially in urban areas. So we are very thrilled to work together with Grab. It's, I think, a natural and good partnership, considering Grab's network, its reach, and also its ability to assist CITF in promoting vaccinations and the vaccine registration. So we'll be discussing this further with Grab on how we can map out the vaccination centers and to ensure that people who have appointments at the vaccination centers find it easy to get e-hailing to and fro their houses. And I've worked together with Grab, in fact, during the SEA Games, where we identified certain Grab drop-off points at the stadiums and at the venues. And we can utilize the same partnership where we can identify drop-off points for the vaccination centers, so that the Grab drivers will know and can easily access the drop-off and pick-up points for people going to the vaccination centers. And I have also received an appeal from Grab to consider the Grab drivers. Tan Sri William, thank you very much. You have a vast network of stores in Malaysia and of course internationally, but our concern is of course in Malaysia. And what we would like, of course, for Parkson to help us with, and you have kindly agreed and stepped forward to offer your help and hopefully become an example to other retail players in the country, is to set up registration counters. I think for Grab and Parkson, this is the start of our partnership. Perhaps we can even think of other incentives that we can give the public who have registered and who have vaccinated themselves as well. That's something that we can discuss going forward. St. John's Ambulance last week with Datuk Lai, and we have agreed that St. John's Ambulance will also play an integral role in assisting the government in the immunization program. So we've agreed that St. John's Ambulance will start by assisting us in terms of registration. They will be doing a blood drive campaign, Derma Darah St. John's Ambulance Malaysia, in 15 locations around the country from the 28th till the 30th of May. So they'll be opening up registration counters for St. John's Ambulance volunteers to assist the public in registering through MySejahtera or through the website link that we have for people who do not have MySejahtera. St. John's Ambulance will also mobilize their volunteers to publicize the vaccination program, the registration through MySejahtera, and also St. John's Ambulance has offered to provide their ambulances and their medical teams at our vaccination centers, should we require them. And that's a very, very generous offer from St. John's Ambulance, and I'm happy to welcome St. John's Ambulance into the program today as a key partner for the National Immunization Program. Finally, Living Minds Sdn Bhd has also come forward today to offer 12 of our football players, professional football players, under their management as vaccination ambassadors, and also to help spread the message of vaccination through their network, through their social media network, and also through their influence. I think this is important because we want to ensure that the sports industry is able to open safe again very soon in full force. Of course, now you're starting to see sports coming back, but we want to see sports coming back in a bigger way. And I think the message of our top athletes, including our top footballers, promoting vaccination is good not just for the public, but also for people in the sports sector to sign up for their vaccination so that we can open up the sports industry and sector even more so that it can come back into full capacity. This is sort of partnership that's being done not just in Malaysia, but all over the world. I've stressed often and many times that this is a whole of society approach. And as we get more vaccines coming in throughout the year, we need to get more people registered and to get more people vaccinated. So far, we have about 7 million people registered. It's a decent start. But as we reach the months of June, July, August, when we are scheduled to receive our vaccines in greater quantities, we want to ensure that more and more people can be registered and vaccinated. So all the preparation that we're doing now is not just to complete phase 1 and start phase 2 in 3 weeks' time, but also to anticipate the really mass vaccination exercise that will take place June onwards. So with that, sekali lagi saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua yang hadir pada hari ini, terutamanya kepada Paksen, kepada Post Malaysia, kepada St. John's Ambulance, kepada Grab Malaysia, dan juga kepada Living Minds. So please once again join me in thanking them for being here today. And we will be having more of these partnerships. I'll be reaching out to more corporates, to more companies, to more NGOs to join in the process of getting more Malaysians registered and vaccinated, so that we can get out of this pandemic and build back better for the future. Jadi sekali lagi saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.